So these are the first stickers I've ever got. And don't even have a space to put stickers yet. But when I was down in Dawson Creek, I went and saw Rescued and Restored Garage. And they had me over for a visit. It wasn't long enough, but got to see all their projects and stuff going on. And they gave me stickers. So, anyways, my first stickers. Now,
should I zoom in and see the address there? Probably not.
Can you see it? It seems dark.
Let's go. No, I think it's good.
Oh, okay. Can you see? Oh, you don't. I don't want them to see. Oh, I don't get to see my address. I will.
You might have to edit some of this.
Oh, I can do that.
There you go. Okay, dig in.
Okay, so my buddy Scrapman69 down in the great land of Kentucky. I was getting all sad because a Nice Junk was showing off his package from Scrapman.
He was showing off his package?
Yes. And we all were very happy. Oh, that's nice. He said he loves me. Chris, I love you, and I love watching your videos. They are awesome. I love your dogs and how River and Banks are in them. I like your personality. Thank you for all of your support. Sorry for the sucky handwriting. Scrapman, keep scrapping, y'all. I felt like I sent myself a letter. Oh, because his name's Chris. And it says, you're way better than Nice Junk. Thanks, buddy.
I feel like you made that part up.
I'm not showing. Well, what does this say? Like and subscribe. Keep scrapping, y'all. Anyways.
Let's see the stickers.
Yep.
Show us. Like and subscribe. Scrapman69, keep scrapping, y'all.
Keep scrapping, y'all. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. So now I'm going to have to do the same thing, I guess. Oh, was that? Oh,
I was
giving me direction.
No, I was just giving my thumbs up.
So I'm going to have to make some sort of a board type of a thing for stickers, because
maybe you could get yourself a helmet of some sort. You know, like when you're, riding your bike around, you can have all your fancy stickers on your helmet.
Well, I used to stick all my stickers on my hard hat when I get safety stickers and stuff. I guess I could get a hard hat and stick these on them. But thank you very much, both of you. I really appreciate it. I had a really good visit with Quint and Carrie, and really nice people. I'm sure that Scrapman's a really nice person too, just from talking to him in Discord, but he maybe is just playing it up so that we subscribe and share, y'all. Oh, and keep scrapping, y'all. Peace out.